Tired of the same old ringtone every time you get a call? Want to add a bit of personality to your phone? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your incoming call ringtone sound in just a few simple steps on your iPhone. So, let's start. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down a little, find Sounds and Haptics, and then tap on it. Here you will find the ringtone feature. To change the ringtone, tap on it and you will be taken to this page. From here, tap on the ringtone you want to use as your incoming call ringtone, and it'll be set as your ringtone. If you don't like the ringtones here, you can download tones from the iTunes Tone Store. For that, tap on Tone Store, then tap on Tones. Next, just buy the one you like and you will be set. Quite easy, right? So that's it, guys. That's how you change incoming call ringtone sound on your iPhone. If the video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button. Want more iPhone tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming your way. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.